Hi Capricorn. So this is your extended Instagram's August monthly messages 2024. If you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow my Instagram page, The North Tarot. And please note, this is a general reading, may or may not resonate for all the Capricorns. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Do not force the messages upon yourself. And check your readings from Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Now without much further ado, let's get started. So continuing with what I said on Instagram, that you are in such a situation where you want to give up. You're like, I'm done, I cannot do more, I cannot, like, it's that kind of a situation where you're like, I can't run, I can't walk, I can't even crawl now. I am done, I don't want to. The reading is telling you here that it's okay if you can't run, it's okay if you can't walk, it's okay if you can't crawl, it's okay, but just don't give up. Don't be like that, I just want to die. Don't be like that, okay? So your reading is saying that you have done everything you could do, and universe did watch that. Universe knows you did everything you could. You put in all your efforts, you did whatever was in your hands, even more than that. You waited also, and you are still waiting, and now you're like, I'm kind of in that situation of giving up. I cannot. And the reading is telling you, just don't give up now. Don't give up, because this is a kind of situation which happens in everybody's life at one point of time. At least that's what I believe, because there are some times in everybody's life where universe also has to prove you that God is there, invisible powers are there, and that your angels and guides are there. And when you've lost your faith and hope, and at least not faith, but at least when you've lost your hope, and you're like, I have done everything I could do, and I have put in my efforts, I've, like, everything that was in my hands I did. If that couldn't bring the results, nothing can bring the results. Now this is the point where universe is like, you need to have faith. Yes, you did what you could do, but you have not seen that what can we do. And now universe wants to prove this to you, that everything is not in your control. Maybe you have a habit of taking everything under your hands or in your control, and you feel that when I put in efforts, then only the results come, which is actually true, but which is not the complete truth also. We put in our efforts, but the results come according to what the universe feels is good for us. And maybe you didn't believe in this before. Maybe you used to feel, if I put in efforts this way, the results will be this way. If I put in efforts that way, the results will be that way. And the universe was like, wait, I need to prove it to you. That's not how it works. The universe is like that, you put in your efforts, you do your hard work, but everything is in our control. It is in our hands that what return do you get out of your efforts. Maybe you did not believe in that, and maybe this stressed you out a lot of times. Now the universe wants to show it to you so that you can increase your faith also in the God, in universe, and invisible powers. Plus the universe wants to teach you a lesson that everything is not in your control. So the outcome, whatever happens, which will happen really soon, this will free you, as well as this will also make you more humble. When you will see that when you gave up, like giving up means that when you stop putting in the efforts and you were like, done, I have nothing more to do, magically something will happen and your ships will be coming in. If you were waiting for your PR or your visa, for those people, automatically when you'll stop putting in your efforts, something will happen and your PR or visa will get automatically cleared up. If there was a court case, same thing. When you will stop putting in the efforts, somehow you will win the case, or it will go in your favor. If you were trying to get pregnant or married or something like that, and you were waiting for somebody for the relationship, now when you just be like, when you would be like, nothing is in my hands now, and if it is not in my hands, I'm not going to get it. If that's how you think, you are about to get a surprise. You're in for a surprise. So now universe will prove it to you that see, we are doing everything behind the scenes, so you don't have to take the tension. You just put in your efforts, you do your karma, but never believe that you are in control. This will also free you up, trust me. It will give you more freedom. Next time onwards, you will just put in your efforts, and you'd be like, if universe wants it, if it doesn't, it doesn't. Let's see that if you listen or follow these advices, what will be the outcome of this situation. 10 of Wands, great. 7 of Wands, star on star. This is also star, this is also star. 10 of Cups, 6 of Cups. Overall energy is the 5 of Wands. So if you come out of this conflicted energy and if you just follow the advices that have been told you, you will definitely come out of the conflicted energy. You will be able to fight with those negative thoughts or the situations that is happening in your life. You will get that courage that no, I can stand up and I can do things. Whenever you will be in such situation that I have to give up, you would be like, no, universe is there. I'm very sure universe is there. I just have to put in my effort. So you will not give up. You will fight for it, and you will be able to put in the burdens same like side by side. You will be putting in the efforts. You will not wait for the results, and at the same time you will not burden yourself that what will be the result. You will put down your burdens that okay, I have put in my efforts, I'm done here. If God has to do it, he'll do it. If God doesn't want to do it, he won't, and it will be in my higher good. So you will be able to put down the burdens. And as I said, marriage, relationship, kids, and fame, name, career, everything, as I just said. So this is a confirmation for you that if you follow the advices, this will this is something that is going to happen. Okay, so that's your reading, Capricorn. So if it helped you, please do comment down below that I will do my karma, I will not give up, and I will wait for the results from universe. I trust the universe. Whatever line suits you the best, just comment down below and claim the energy. And that's it. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, please do subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Take care, bye bye.